Hello everyone. In this video lecture, we are going to see report writing, a part of communication skill. What are communication skill? Communication skills are the ability you use when giving and receiving different kinds of information. Written communication skills, nearly every job you will require written communication skill. Some degree of written communication skills, whether it's sending emails, writing memos, or providing briefs and reports. The ability to communicate clearly, concisely, and concentrately in written ensures that everyone you work with understands what you are telling them. Now, we are going to the video, the report writing. First, the need for reports. As a student, you spend most of your time in reading, listening, and speaking. However, once you get your job and you enter a professional arena, you are bound to devote 70 to 80% of your time in writing or interpreting reports. Here, a report. A report trains you as a writer in a very planned and orderly manner. It helps you logical presentation of ideas and informations. Report writers develops the power of discrimination, organization, judgment, and communication. Here, the purpose of report. What's the purpose of the report? To inform, to provide a basis for discussion and debate, or to sell or persuade. Next thing, what are the characteristics of technical report? Most of the time, you will be involved in writing technical report. Whether report writing is formal and informal also. Informal, you have to write in a technical way. First of all, the word report, where it from? Report means, it means carry back. A report, this is a description of an event carries back to someone who was not present on the scene. For example, a friend of yours tell you that in the morning she or he met with a minor accident, and you have out of curious, you might ask how her or him, how it's happened. Then the friend told you the matter. I came from there and someone came from that place, that he explained that thing. That's also a report. But in a funny sense, even gossips amount to reports. But gossips, it's entirely on rumors. But report, factual information, scientifically analyzed with logical supported argument and recommendations. Similarly, many memorandums, letters, news items, analysis of election results can also be considered in a broad sense as report. Here, next one, technical reports. It's a careful investigation. We have to investigate careful because report, it's a permanent one for our firm, and it's a careful investigation, sound thinking, logical organization, and clear and formal writing. A report is a formal communication. Already I told you, report is a both formal and informal communication, but when you enter into a form, it be a formal one. It's a formal communication written for a specific purpose. It includes a description of procedures followed by the collection and analysis of data, their significance, the conclusion drawn from them, and recommendations. And objective report writing. An objective report writing is very different from an emotional poetry writing, because a report is not an outpouring of powerful feeling. What Wordsworth says, powerful feeling recollect from tranquility. It's not like that. It's not a poem. It's not an imaginary one. It's a fact. What you have to do? A report writer should examine and present obviously the data collected. What are the datas he have? He collect more datas. His or her conclusion and recommendation are strictly based on the facts includes in the report. If you do not have facts, you do not have evidence, you cannot form conclusion merely based on your emotions. If you don't know in the conclusion, you don't know anything. You can't imagine and write that may be happen to this, it may be happen to that. You can't imagine and write a report. It's only based on report. You have to evaluate the data and write that report. I hope you understand this characteristics and definition of report. In future class, in future videos, we see what are the types of report and how to write a report and structure of report. I hope you all understand this video. Thank you all.